Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at MitoQ, a supplement that claims to go beyond basic heart health by targeting your mitochondria. It promises to support energy and cardiovascular wellness at a cellular level, which sounds both futuristic and incredibly ambitious. Perfect for those who want their organs to live in the year 3000 while the rest of us are just trying to find our car keys. I wanted to see if this actually works or if it's just a fancy way to justify a premium price tag. The standout feature here is a modified version of CoQ10 designed to penetrate directly into your mitochondria, the so-called power plants of your cells. While traditional CoQ10 supplements often struggle with absorption, essentially just taking a scenic tour of your digestive tract before being flushed away, Mito's patented version is built to get exactly where it's needed. Since the heart is one of the hardest working organs in the body, unlike your cousin who's been finding himself on your couch for 3 months, the idea is that it benefits directly from this high-tech cellular boost. The capsules themselves are small and easy to swallow, meaning you won't have to deal with giant horse pills or chalky powders that taste like crushed hopes and dreams. In terms of the actual experience, don't expect a jittery caffeine rush. It's more of a gradual improvement in stamina and steadier energy throughout the day. Many users report less afternoon fatigue and better endurance during exercise, which is great if you'd like to feel slightly less like a dying Victorian child after a light jog. The formula also includes L-carnitine and magnesium, making it a well-rounded cardiovascular support team rather than a one-note wonder. While it's certainly not a quick fix for serious medical issues or a replacement for professional medical advice, it offers a much more advanced approach than your generic drugstore options. If you're serious about investing in your long-term heart health and don't mind paying a premium for science that actually reaches your cells, MitoQ makes a pretty compelling case for keeping your internal engine running at its best.